So the next phase after that is to now represent, instead of boxes, as circuit elements. So the main one we do first is a resistor. So we have a voltage source, and the current is being delivered through the resistor from the positive to the negative. So since this is drawn to be a voltage drop, we say that this obeys the passive sign convention, and the relationship between the voltage and the current is positive, V equals I times R. But also notice you can sometimes draw a circuit where the current is not drawn to obey the passive sign convention. So if this were a resistor, this was the voltage and this is the current, you would tell me for this, it does not obey the passive sign convention, so V is equal to negative I times R. V is equal to negative I times R. So now, what that means is that if I give you a circuit like this, and I tell you have 5 volts, and the resistor is 2 ohms, and I want to find the current. I want to find the current. So remember, I would be equal to V over R. So the question is the current 2.5 amps